Are your pins being seen by absolutely no one? You think you're doing all the right things. You created your Pinterest account, you connected your Instagram account, you've even claimed your website. Now you've been consistently pinning, you've been using cute visuals, you created your Pinterest boards, but it's zeros across your analytics. Hi everyone, my name is Megan Williamson. I am a Pinterest marketing expert. More importantly, I love helping online business owners learn how they can lean into marketing strategies that help you quietly grow in the background. Now, what does this have to do with your Pinterest pins being seen by no one? Well, ultimately, if you're watching this video, I know you want to figure out Pinterest. And the thing about working with me is that it all begins with Pinterest, but you learn very quickly that Pinterest is connected to your entire content ecosystem. In this video tutorial, I want to show you how Pinterest understands labels, and really the SEO or the search marketing term for this is indexes your Pinterest posts or Pinterest pins so they know how to distribute your content. Now, I've been working in the Pinterest marketing space for over 10 years, and I have helped thousands of online business owners create an airtight Pinterest marketing strategy so that they can get discovered every single day. So you can see here on my screen, I'm logged in to my Pinterest account. So when you log into your Pinterest account, you'll see two tabs, For You and Explore. And this For You is your feed that is curated based on who you interact with, topics that you're interested in. So what I want to show you very quickly is how the Pinterest crawler and technology in a very, very advanced, sophisticated way is able to look at your Pinterest pins and understand what it's about, who to show it to when they enter particular search terms or when they are engaging with certain types of content. So in the marketing world, we call this relevancy. The Pinterest algorithm or technology wants to figure out really quickly, what am I looking at and who should I show it to? And it uses several different touch points in your strategy to understand what your content is about. What are we looking at? So the number one thing is that it scans and looks at the pictures that you're using in your Pinterest pins. Now, if you have text on your image in your Pinterest graphic, it's going to scan and read that text as well. Or if you've uploaded a video, it's going to scan that cover of your video and look at that text that you've added to your video, okay? So the next thing that it looks at is your pin title. So it's also gonna send a quick signal to see what is this title about, so we know that your Pinterest keywords in your title and on your graphic or video are really, really important. Now, it also looks at the board, the Pinterest board that you have pinned that content to. So if you have named or optimized your Pinterest account in a very vague way, like things I like or cute stories or maybe even an insider name, like a silly term that you have, what this does is it just confuses Pinterest. So as a business owner, whether you're a creative, you sell physical products, maybe you're a service provider, an artist, or even a blogger new to Pinterest, you have to understand that setting up your Pinterest account allows Pinterest to understand how to distribute your content. So they want to know what type of content is being pinned to this account so that they can understand how to categorize it, and again, then how to understand how to distribute it across Pinterest. So because Pinterest has existed for a very long time as a search engine, they had to figure out a very sophisticated system to allow for rapid indexing. So with this rapid indexing, Pinterest looks at what they call interest tags. And so these are very large sort of topic content buckets or categories or territories of content. And we have the big areas: fashion, DIY, beauty, home interiors, DIY and crafts, actually, travel, food and drink. So these are the large labels. So if you want to think about Pinterest, they have billions and billions of pins, and they have to understand, like, okay, well, what does this belong to? So as a business owner, it's really important that you learn how to send the right signals to Pinterest so it can understand how to distribute the content according to the keywords you used, the interest tag that your content falls into, as well as who it might be relevant to. So like I said, I am here on the Pinterest feed, and I just want to show you very quickly that if we grab a pin, we can see a few things here. So one, there is a visual of a harvest Cobb salad. Down below, the title is Fall Harvest Salad, okay? And then if we look on the right-hand side, it's showing us visually similar images. And this is because Pinterest is a visual search image. So it's scanning images to see what looks similar. Now down here, you're going to see something that says ideas you might love. So these are some interest tags or topics that the technology has decided are relevant to this pin that I have clicked on. So you can see that it's going to suggest things that are similar. Autumn chop salad, harvest Cobb salad, super food salad, chicken Cobb. And then if we keep going, you'll see that we can see visually similar things. Pinterest wants to show you more content that looks like the content you're engaging with. But what I'm going to show you next is, if you're interested to see, does Pinterest understand? That's one thing you can do, what I just showed you. Then we can grab this Pinterest pin URL, okay? And then what we're going to do, I'm using Chrome. I'm going to click on File and click New Incognito Window. And I'm going to paste that right into my incognito window here. Sorry, I just heard some knocking. The first thing I want to look at is this bar. So you can see it says search for salad ideas with meat, Thanksgiving chopped salad, fall salad recipes, dairy free. So you can see these are relevant terms related to what's on my screen. Then we're going to go down and we're going to see if we can see some other things that are going to give us clues. So the first thing I see here is explore related boards. So it's decided that these boards have this pin on it. So it most likely has similar ideas and content, recipes to try, health, dinner recipes, salad, sandwiches, and wraps. So you can see those are boards that has been pinned to. Now here's the real thing that you want to see. If Pinterest understands what your Pinterest post is about, under we think you'll love these related interests, you can see different topics. Now they're very similar to what was scrolling through the search bar, but if I click on those, so let's do fall salad bowl, you're going to see that we come out to this. So this is a topic area, and right here it gives us several ideas, several interest tags. So we can see that from explore it goes into food and drink. So that's the very large category, okay? That's huge, that's broad, that's all food and drink. Then it narrows it down to salad. We call this a node. And then it's like Russian dolls. It goes down even more to salad ideas. So if you are a food creator, you would want your harvest salad indexed as salad ideas or salad recipes, as it is here. And you can see that this is fairly recent. This was only, updated 2 weeks ago. And again, I'm seeing visually similar things. Now, if we go down, you can see that here's some other ideas. And this is how you might want to think about some of the keywords you're using, some of the Pinterest boards, and you can find information. Pinterest is literally making it so that you can learn more about what sort of words to be using to make your content discoverable. And that's some of the magic of how the Pinterest search engine helps to surface up your incredible products and blog posts and podcasts and pins every single day. The right pin at the right moment to the right person is what will absolutely transform your business. So if you're not already following me, make sure you're following me. I'm going to be sharing more short, sweet marketing tutorials to help you really understand how you can be leveraging not just Pinterest, but other marketing strategies to help you grow effortlessly behind the scenes, quietly. We love quiet around these parts. And make sure you're following me, subscribe, ask questions. I love learning about what you're thinking about how you can use Pinterest to grow your online business.